Hi Gemini, this is going to be a reading for the 1st until the 6th of April. Check your moon, Venus and rising if the messages don't resonate, or if you'd like more insight. Giving away the Romance Angels Oracle cards this month, so leave a comment if you'd like to be a part of the giveaway. By doing so, you've entered, and I'm picking the winners, well, the winner at the end of April. So what are the messages for Gemini? What messages for Gemini? The Lovers, your own energy. So, some of you could be in a new situation. There could be a love triangle. We'll see later, but it could be that you are in a new situation where you're in the Lovers phase, like the beginning. Let's see. Alright, so the Tower. We have a Tower moment here for some of you. It may have made some of you feel like you should move on, or will if it's coming in the future. But it could have been a blow up, like a fight, argument with someone that you're with. And then the Three of Pentacles is how you're seeing them. So it could have been about a third party, or just seeing them. Some of you could be seeing them as a friend now. Like, some of you could be wanting to move on and seeing this person as just a friend, because there could have been a huge blow up, a huge fight, or just a huge event that changed everything, or something that's coming towards you. But we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here. We have Aquarius. So some of you could be dealing with an Aquarius. They could have Aquarius in the chart, but it seems like the feeling of wanting to move on for some of you. Some of you, it could be a positive thing, like feeling very attracted to this person, but I feel with the Tower, it's more like something that kind of triggered you to feel like it could be at the end, like you could move on. Let's see what's going on with them. The Six of Wands. So they could be in a really good place in their life right now. They could be really judging you at the moment. They could be judging your actions. But this could also be them feeling like, because the Judgment card is like a Karmic card, so it could be like feeling like a past life relationship, feeling a strong connection with you, feeling like it was meant to be, meant to happen. Okay, but we'll see later if it's really them being judgmental. But we have the Three of Swords. That's how they see you. So they're seeing you as hurt. So maybe they feel like they hurt your feelings. They probably even feel like you would move on from them. They could feel like you are judging them based on this blow up, this argument. But they definitely are aware of how you feel. They could be really busy with their accomplishments at the moment. Like, this could be someone who has recently achieved something, is doing well in their life, and they could be feeling big-headed, I just heard. Or they could just be really busy with, you know, what they have, what they're working towards. Yep, Eight of Pentacles. Someone is busy in the situation. And what's blocking you is the Eight of Cups. So you wanting to walk away, or them Could be, if it's vice versa, it could be them, but I feel like it's you with the star here. Wanting to walk away is what could be blocking you. But it's like the relationship itself is going to take work. And it's like this person is a little bit too busy to try to work on it. Even though I feel like they want to, because they do feel like it's a karmic relationship. Like, they are feeling strongly about you. But they look really busy. They have the world here, so we'll see why this is the outcome. Why is the Tower here? Ten of Cups, marriage or family, may have kids with this person, could be a Scorpio, but it seems like it could have been a fight, you know, to do with kids, or there could just be something challenging the both of you. Something that's working towards changing, transforming the relationship. The Star. So some of you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but we have you wanting to take the leap. It could be the leap of, you know, walking away, taking a risk of walking away, or wanting to reach out to them. Oh gosh. One sec. Wanting to reach out to this person. Three of Pentacles. But again, the King of Wands is someone who does have a trait of being, you know, arrogant, not arrogant, but like cocky in a way, feeling overly confident. So let's see, the Eight of Wands in reverse. So there may have been communication issues here. They may have been avoiding you. This is how you're seeing them. So the Nine of Wands, avoiding a situation. They could be starting trouble and running from it. Six of Wands. It could have been an apology or apology coming towards you from this person. Two of Cups. In reverse. They may feel defensive. They may feel like the connection is suffering because of how busy they are. Like they may be losing feelings, or maybe if the communication, if you guys haven't communicated a lot, it could feel like to them like it's kind of fading. There's Judgment here. They may feel like you're against them, or that you are not wanting to communicate with them. Magician. And the Eight of Swords. So they are feeling, you know, that this is a karmic relationship. They are feeling a lot of feelings towards you. It's basically, with the Magician, it's a lot to do with manifestation, with spirituality. It's like this karmic spiritual connection that they feel they don't want to move on from. But I feel like communication is affecting you guys, and the fact that this person is busy. Three of Swords. Four of Wands, Ace of Swords. So they're seeing you as heartbroken. It could be that, I mean, they're still seeing the stability with you and the potential of the relationship, but they are aware of how you feel. The Eight of Pentacles. And the Eight of Cups. There's a lot of eights here. And the swords are in reverse. So it looks like you're wanting to cut this person off, or feeling like they probably want to cut you off. This is what's blocking you, this detachment, someone walking away. And then this person is like it's too much for them to think about when they're busy. And then overall, the issue is becoming clearer to both of you, that it may just be a communication issue here, or will become clearer. Let's see why the World is here. Opening up, it actually might bring you closer. Let's see. Nine of Cups, Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Opening up might bring you closer here. Wish fulfillment. So with the Lovers, I know some of you, it could be a third party situation with the Three of Pentacles as well, and seeing them this way. Maybe they didn't tell you about it, or they're avoiding talking about it. It does seem like for some of you that's not gonna last, like a third party situation isn't gonna last. Because here they're no longer, it's in reverse, so they're no longer giving their attention to someone else. And then you have wish fulfillment, the Nine of Cups. So, and then completion with the World. So feeling complete here. They may reject a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person, or, you know, whatever sign this person has in their chart, the third party, if there is one. But it looks like they're getting rid of that type of situation. They could be blocking the third party with the Seven of Wands, ending a situation, even if it's an ex from the past. They're getting rid of it. Messages for Gemini. Unrequited love. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep the relationship going. As I said, I feel like the person lost feelings because of the lack of communication. But they, you know, in their mind, they still know that it's a karmic relationship, that they have feelings. You know, they still feel bound by the feelings. So they're not necessarily going anywhere. Give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership. So it needs to be, it's almost like this love, the attraction and the chemistry needs to be revived here. And there's enough interest for that to happen. Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate. And it's safe for you to love, open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. And this could be the one. You've already met the romantic partner you seek. So feelings may have kind of faded, but it hasn't, you know, changed the fact that this person knows that you are an important part of their life. Messages for Gemini. Lovers again. So that's your energy again. Change. I do feel like, yeah, this Tower moment, the Tower and the Death card, it's going to bring change to this relationship. Major change. So arguments and things like that may lead to actually opening up to each other. Distant horizons, so long distance relationships for some of you. Or the distance in emotions right now. Coffin, which is like the Death card. The ending of a situation. So remember I said some of them are ending a third party situation or releasing an ex. They're a false person. So this is like a mistress, you know, like the person on the outside who they're getting rid of. Okay. So they're putting an end to a situation. Messages for Gemini. Patience. Rest and rejuvenate. Suffering in silence. So whoever this Three of Swords is for, whoever's heartbroken, they're suffering in silence. So if it's you, you may need to open up. But not right away. I'd say when this person, you know, reveals how they feel. Temptation, the Devil card. So we have Capricorn here for some. Crown chakra. Listen to your intuition. And hope. There's a lot of hope for this relationship. And accelerated motion. So moving forward in the direction that you want it to go. This is the Eight of Wands. This one. So basically the communication is going to improve if it hasn't been going well. And that is what, you know, going to help you guys to open up. Finally get what you want out of the situation. Maybe finally hearing how they feel about you. So, messages for Gemini. Okay. Choose a new direction. Don't stop. Maybe some of you need to dive into something that is going on in your life and take a rest, a break from this situation. Don't stop. The situation will improve. Romance and compromise. So, if you've been doing one thing, do the opposite. Like, go solo for a bit, take a rest, take a break. Don't suffer in silence. You have to take care of yourself. Don't stop taking care of yourself. The situation will improve. There's romance, there's revealing feelings to each other. There's coming to a way of compromising. You know, there is movement forward. The communication is coming back. So I wouldn't worry. The only thing is that this person's feelings have kind of faded because of the lack of communication, but it will come back because they do know deep down that they won't find a relationship like this. So it's not over here. You were wanting to walk away. It may be a good idea to take a break, but I don't see you really walking away because this person may just open up to you and, you know, tell you how they feel. Alright, so, yep, a soulmate connection here. Gemini, this is your reading for the 1st until the 6th of April. Check your moon, Venus, and rising. If the messages didn't resonate, or if you'd like more insights, like the video if you enjoyed. Leave a comment if you'd like to be a part of the giveaway to let me know for the Romance Angels Oracle cards. Subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.